One of the cool things about Irish is it has a lot less verbs than other languages. We tend to use the same verbs over and over again, normally the irregulars, to communicate different ideas. So how does this actually work? Let's take the verb study in English. In Irish, the verb study we won't really use. We'll tend to say to do study on something. Therefore, study is being used as a noun, and regardless of the tense or who might be doing the action, we don't really change that at any time. We just conjugate the verb to do. So rinne me stadir an óliacht, I studied science. I did study on science. Déanann me stadir an óliacht for present tense, and déanfí me stadir an óliacht for I will do study. In other words, I will study in English. So we're just manipulating the verb to do. Equally, there's no verb for visit in the Irish language. How do we say it? We say to give a visit on someone. So past tense, thug me courts machara. I visited my friend, but really we're saying I gave a visit on my friend. Equally, I give